Do you think there is any room within the international relations or regarding ethics and human rights and democracy and all that? These are the beautiful words, but do you think that they are always calling that peace is a luxury? Basically, if the powerful wants it, then there would be a peace. If they don't, there would be a war.
No, actually there are these jargons, they carry no weight in international relations. They are only good for conferences, press conferences, symposiums and workshops and the literature.
Means it's just to show off.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely. They just don't care. They think that they are very powerful and they can do anything they want. But I really appreciate to what Wani Saab said, that Kashmiris are not defeated, Palestinians are not defeated. Likewise, let me add another community, the Sikhs are not defeated. The Khalistan movement India thought is over, it is not over. The Kashmir movement is not over, it may take another 50 years. But the people will not be defeated, the Palestinian people will not be defeated. Yes, international community may not be paying enough heed at this time, but the time will come. Why? Because they are fighting for the right of self-determination, which is their divine right. So if they are not giving up, why should the other communities give up? We just need to support them.
And that was the right which was given by United Nations.
Absolutely.
When India plead for that.
As per the partition plan, this was supposed to be Pakistan because of the Muslim population, geographical contiguity and what three conditions. It was supposed to be Pakistan, but let's say it is not. Let it be Kashmir. Let the people of Kashmir decide. This is what UN says. And they are not granted this right, primarily because the British dishonestly sowed the seeds of discontent purposefully, as they did in Palestine.